Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and I'm an independent sales ambassador with Avon, and today I thought we'd go over my campaign 20 purchases so you can see what I got. Lots of good stuff, so let's get started. All right, first up, I got the Moisture Therapy Intense Healing and Repair Hand Cream, which is this. Now, I'm not sure how I ended up getting this, in all honesty. I think it might have been something that was add this item at checkout and it costs this much. I'm not really sure because I already have one that's right here, and I have plenty of it. It's about right here. So I really wouldn't have ordered another one. So there must have been some type of special deal, but this is a great hand cream and it's very similar to the Neutrogena Norwegian hand cream. It's got that kind of like that thick, I don't want to say petroleum jelly kind of feel, but it's pretty, it is definitely a thicker hand cream, and it's nice. I really like it. I don't use it that often because it does take some time to work into your skin, but it is one of the best hand creams I think that Avon sells. So not sad that I got another one, but yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm not sure how I ended up with it. That's okay. That's okay. No big deal there. All right. Next up is something interesting that I've never tried, and this is the Anew Ultimate Multi-Performance Eye System, which is this right here, and I was kind of curious. This is like a two-parter product, so it looks like that. And this top portion is kind of like a smoother product, and it goes on your brow bone. And then, you're all done with that, you undo the bottom, and this creamier portion goes under your eyes. So I'm really excited to try this. I love the two-in-one kind of products. These are great. So I've never tried this and I'm looking forward to doing that. All right, what else did we get? This is fun. This is coming up in campaign 21. This is the, what is this called? The Rare Pink Sapphire fragrance. I had to have it. Somewhere, I can't remember if it was in a book or it was in one of our What's New catalogs. There was a little scent circle, so I gave it a little scratch. I'm like, oh, this is really pretty. I think that this is something that I would like. So I went and ordered it. And there was also a gift with purchase. So when you order this, you're going to be able to get this free necklace, pendant, and earring. So I did get that too, and I will show you in a minute. So here's the box. And this is so beautiful. I love this cover. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's so there for me. So I thought it was really, really pretty. So let's try and get this open. Oh. I really should take these out of the boxes before I start. All right, let's see. Oh, look at how cute that is. That's sweet. That's so pretty. So this has notes of pink pepper, delicate rosebud, and sensual amberwood, and it is in the soft amber family. It's very pretty. I thought it would be in the more of the floral scent, but it is not. So let's see. I haven't tried this. Let's see. Oh, it is really pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. It is really pretty scent. So I am going to look forward to wearing that. Yum, yum. Very nice. Oh, I think that's going to make me happy for the rest of the day. All right, very pretty. All right, let's move that over there. What else did we get? Next up, I bought the Anew Vitamin C Exfoliating Peel Pads. I really like these, and I think I just like the convenience of them. It's just in a little pad and you just wipe it on your face and you're good to go. And I just think that is a really cool way to get your vitamin C on your face. Although I would say, I'm not always sure that vitamin C really works for me, but it must be doing something, I'm sure this is sealed because it's very liquidy. Yeah, these are sealed. So anyways, like I said, the little pads, you just rub them all over your face and you're done. You're done with your vitamin C application. So I like quick and easy, so that's good for me. All right, there's trash accumulating here. All right, what else did I get? Next up is the FMG Glimmer Liquid Eye liner pen in Chestnut, which is this right here. This also comes sealed. I just wanted to get that off. And this is one of those, it's a pen. And I do very well with pen liners. Yeah, I can do a pen liner very well, and a pencil liner, but I don't do very well when the liquid liner is a brush. Oh my goodness, I just cannot do that. But this makes like the littlest lines. Yeah, these are really nice. I like these a lot. So I got that, and I love that it's in kind of a dark brown. Beautiful. Love these. So got to that. Next up, oh, I hope I brought that. Oh, I did. Okay. Next up, I bought the FMG Match Dusting Finishing Powder in Translucent Fair Light. So that is this right here. And I wasn't going to buy a finishing powder because I have this one from Laura Mercier that I've had since January 2029, because I always write the dates on my cosmetic products. But I will tell you, you will be amazed. I have this much left. I don't know if you can see that. That is all I have left. So it's going to be gone pretty soon. Probably by the end of the year it'll be gone. So I thought I would pick up a loose powder. So this is this right here. So there we go. And I don't know what the sifter looks like. So let's see. Just like that. I don't know if this stays on. This might come off. Oh, I think that's gonna come off. I'm gonna leave that on. This is a peel off, and then it doesn't have any type of cover other than this that I threw on the floor. Hold on. So it only has this as its cover. So I'm gonna leave this sealed because I'm not ready to get into this yet, because I am gonna finish this totally. Because I bought it and it was expensive. I'm going to finish it. So yeah, so I was happy to have a new powder ready to go. So I got that. And then, oh, this is gonna be fun. This is the new Serendipity Medley bracelet. Medley, that is the word. I thought this was so pretty, and I hate to use the word whimsical, but that's what I kind of thought of it. It looked really fun and pretty and playful, so I thought, well, that'll be a fun bracelet to have. So I thought I would get it. I love to wear bracelets. That's kind of one of my things. I'll probably wear a bracelet more than I'll ever wear a necklace. Oh, it's really cute. Look at that. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that darling? Oh, I think that's so cute. I love all the little charms are really pretty, so that'll be fun. That'll be fun to wear. I like that. Hopefully it fits. It's crazy when they shortchange you on the, nope, it'll be just fine. Nope, it's just fine. Look at that. Ah, I love it. So cute. All right. Should I take it off? I'll just leave it on for now. All right, got that. That's a lot of fun. And next up, well, that's it. Oh, last item is the Blush Petal earring and necklace set, which I just mentioned is coming up in here, and it is right here. So let's see what that looks like. All righty. I love Avon jewelry. I have so much of it. Just a little collection of Avon jewelry. It's all right though, it's really pretty, and if I enjoy wearing it, then, you know, we're just going to keep buying it if I can get into it. All right, let's see how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, oh, it is very pretty. Oh, look at that, it has like it's a rose gold. Look at that, that is just lovely. That's gonna be really pretty. And then of course we got the earrings. The two little earrings, which look really pretty too. Well, let's just see one. There, that's what they look like. So put them together. I think those look really, really pretty. Yeah, I like those. Very nice. Oh my goodness, all the good stuff is just coming up right now around the holidays, right? So we are, like I said, in campaign 20. Next up is campaign 21. I don't think I'm gonna buy too much in campaign 21. I am kind of keeping my eye out for this, which has been back ordered. It's kind of driving me nuts. I wanted to get this one. I did buy this one, and I I ended up really liking it. I like wearing it around the house, basically. And then I always kind of have color on my lips, so I really like it. And so I want to try the lighter one. The lighter one is called Day Shift. I purchased Night Shift, but this is back ordered, so I'm like, well, we'll just get it when it comes in, right? And what else? What's over here? Oh, and I do want to order some of these. I really like these, and I'm kind of out. I don't have any, so I want to order some of those. But yeah, so I don't think my campaign 21 order is going to be very large, but I will buy a few things, and then we are on to campaign 22, which starts the holiday Christmas stuff, and it's so cute. A lot of stuff is really cute. I don't know what I'm doing for Christmas right now. Normally we have Christmas in our desert house, but it's under construction and it's just kind of going slow. Just simply because we changed our mind on the new floor, and that just kind of put us behind a bit. And but if I was going to buy something, I would probably pick this up because I love deer. For some reason, I just love reindeer. I love decorating with reindeer. So I would probably pick that up, but we'll see. I may not this year. And I did end up ordering this for my mom. She loved it. She thought it was fabulous. So I did order that ahead of time because I get the catalogs, the What's New catalogs ahead, and so I can order ahead. But anyways, so I did want to give you a heads up that if you thought that this looked really cozy and comfortable, that my mom loved it. And lastly, oh my goodness, this is campaign 23. This is the What's New, so I can see what's new. They are having, I'm just totally gonna get this, I already know. They came out with this faux fur jacket. It's a gray faux fur short jacket, and I am definitely gonna give it a try. I don't have a fur jacket, so I thought, yes, I need to get that. And it's actually in gray, which I'm really kind of curious about because it looks quite black, but I think it might be like a charcoal gray. I don't know, I can't tell from the photos, but it looks really fun and I'm totally gonna get it. But anyways, that's it for me. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Always happy to chat with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.